Hi everyone, welcome back. Now we're going to do a rolling sequence. So toss your fabric forward and bring your right knee over top of the fabric. Now in rolling sequences, it's important to remember that we always use the opposite pole. Okay, so I'm gonna hold the left pole and I'm gonna swing my left leg up and through the center and come into this Cupid position, pushing the fabric out, making a nice passe with my leg. Now I'm gonna grab the fabric, lean to the left, extend my left leg, push it into the fabric, pull myself up, right leg swings through, and I can again push out here, or I can lean myself into the fabric and make a nice pose. Now I'm gonna hold on to the fabric, lean over my right shoulder, bend the left knee, reach the right arm out, extend. Bring the right hand back on, unhook the left leg, and come down to the right knee. Step your left foot on the fabric. You can pause here if you like. Reach your hands up, pull yourself up, stand up. Now we're going to invert. So you're going to straddle, invert, and then hook your left leg, slide yourself down into the pigeon pose, releasing here, reaching for your foot, and then when you're ready, releasing the leg and coming down to the ground. All right, enjoy, have fun.